Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this coming out of this Instagram post video on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to try to set it to the frame. You can download this anywhere, and I'm also going to, it's going to crop a little bit of it. I'm also going to select the mask to mask the inside part. I think it's easier if you just do PNG, but I guess it's fine. Couldn't really, find one. Just going to, you're going to need to mask it anyway, so it's fine. Then you're going to get your video, and you're going to actually put it behind at first. Like this, I guess. And then it's better if you have your video, the guy coming out, just walking out or jumping. It's up to you. And for instance, you want to make him go through the screen but not the background. Just copy and paste it, put it on top, and go to cutout and select auto cutout. And you can have him go out of the background gradually by pressing the fade in animation, or you can also use keyframes, but it's easier to add in the fade in animation. Where is it? It's here, and you can adjust the duration here as well, like so. But if you want, you can also just do keyframes by pressing the blend mode here. So put the opacity at 0, and then maybe right about here put it at 0 again, and then here put it at 100. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!